Oh shit.
Just pulled up to Jake's.
Floppy helmet. R.I.P. Brad.
We're about to go ride at Black Ankle. They made a Facebook post saying they're open basically every single day of the week from sun up to sundown. So we're gonna go see if that's true or not. Hopefully it should be a good day of riding. Hopefully the track isn't too bad. It's not too rutted up. I don't think it'll be terrible. It's been raining the past couple days, so dirt should be pretty good. It shouldn't be super dry.
Yeah, my clothes stink. Like they stayed in the washer too long.
Oh yeah. What happened? Professional Jake. Yay!
It runs like Goofy Butt.
Dude, that thing is squeaking so bad. Need a full bearing kit. Maybe new chain and sprockets, brake pads all around. That bike is so clapped. Metal on metal, nice.
I think I got the poop.
You got poop?
Yeah.
Just gave the KTM a quick once over. Thing's dialed.
Yeah, right.
Daredevil Jake. And his big stunt.
60% of the time it works every time.
More balls than me. Cause I ain't gonna be trying that. Of course, waiting on Jake to go ride at Black Ankle. I had to drive 30 minutes here to Jake's house just for him to not be ready.
Yeah.
And we still have to go to Black Ankle.
I'm on BPT. If you don't know what that is, it's your fault. Of course, of course, of course. Always some bullshit.
Strap it down. Unbelievable. No, a couple more times. There you go.
More time. More time. More time.
Now my bars are crooked as fuck.
Black Ankle we go.
One eternity later.
Black Ankle. No idea where Jake's at. He took a wrong turn. There Jake is. He's coming. Yay! Made it to Black Ankle. What does Jake think?
I think it looks wet.
I think it's gonna be good. The track might be a little wet, but we just gotta ride it a little bit.
One thing is you can't get hurt out here.
Yeah, because no one's out here.
No. If you crash over there, I won't even know. You're not allowed to crash today.
Really? Super rain-rutted lip.
Can't wait to take a photo.
You get the idea.
So the big track, it's too muddy right now. And it's like, it looks good, but you sink in it immediately almost. But today is really not a good day for the track. See, like right there, it's just a mud pit. Too slick?
Dude, it's so slick out. It's a fun little track, though.
You think you can do a backflip on that?
Yeah, I think I can do it. Probably a triple,
Triple back?
honestly.
Yeah, just dump the clutch wide open. Off the lip. Come on, man. It's so wet, the mud exploded and got me all the way over here, dude. Oh shit.
No way!
Dude, you suck.
Dude, did you not see it? It sent me so high.
I know.
Dude, it sent me so high and I was just going past and past the landing.
Oh, you stalled the bike in the air.
I know. I OJ'd it though.
Did you get hurt?
No, I'm fine.
At least we got this crash on video. You landed right there, right here. Slid out, but you fell off the bike and then the bike fell over.
Dude. Rookie mistake.
I said, yeah, let's hit the berm and get some videos of the berm. He's over here crashing. Not the brand new Cypress. Come on, man.
We gotta go back to the truck and turn up the idle.
Nah.
That's why I stalled.
Sweet clip.
Such a goon. So sketchy.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, break time's over. Now we gotta hit some berms.
Really?
Yep.
Right now?
Right now.
I guess.
Well, that was better than last time, huh?
Run.
First thing here and already wrecked the YZ. Then we got up, went and hit some big jumps, pulled off. Been messing with RC cars for a little bit. About to go ride some 110s around. We rode around for a little bit, but we came back to get the camera, grab our helmets. About to do some 110 ripping right now. Always looks so funny with his little helmet on.
Huh?
You always look so funny with your little helmet on.
I can't see myself.
You never wear a helmet. That's why you look so funny wearing one. Where'd he go? He's gone already. He rode all the way down there that fast.
GoPro going?
Yeah.
I haven't hit this one yet. It's kind of scary. You're in the air for so long.
I gotta see this on YouTube.
Fun racing Jake, us battling back and forth. Gotta wait up for this guy. Damn, got my ass good. Oh no! Hey! I'm out of gas! Why didn't you check?
I knew how much gas I had.
How did you, if you knew how much gas you had, then why would you run out? Why would you not fill up?
Because we didn't stop at a gas station. Come on.
Well, have fun pushing. I got a gas can in the truck.
Does it have gas in it?
Yeah. I'll bring it down here. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. No. I don't know. Dude, what are you doing in the middle of the track? This is a pit bike track, don't you know?
It was full of dirt.
What was? Oh well.
Bro.
It's a pit bike.
Fuck it, that's all I'm putting out. Look. It don't feel good. Bro. Instantly clogged with dirt.
Take the can up. Oh, don't got enough power to go up the face. Taking the old YZ out for a rip.
Montage.
that black ankle?
Yeah, my ankle's black. Look at that. Womp womp.
Better go run up to the gas station. 'Cause me and Jake are thirsty. We haven't had any drinks the whole time. Why is he out here? Only the one crash in the morning. So we're gonna call that a success. I mean, hey, any day on your dirt bike is a success.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we didn't get hurt, so that's a win.
Yeah, but we suck.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we still suck. Gas station it is. Good day riding dirt bikes?
Now it's time to go ride some four-wheeler.
Damn, look at your neck.
Daredevil climbers.
Redneck.
Dude, the grandpa truck over there squatting.
Yeah,
Lean rig.
these are broken in graps. I am selling these guys. This is the only one that's this bad. This one's pretty bad. They're just lightly broken in. $650. Come get them. We're in Mississippi, Alabama.
Dude's trying to plug.
We're in Goochland, Mississippi.